is the Umidigi One Pro, another bezel-less beauty from Umidigi. Now looking at the front of the device, it is yet another bezel-less beauty with a notch design. The One Pro has got a 5.9-inch full surface display with 19:9 aspect ratio. To the back, it has got a full glass body with a vertical dual camera setup and a flash below it, and Umidigi branding on the bottom center. Now taking a look into the camera department, to the back it has got a 12+5 megapixel dual camera setup with an aperture of f2.0 with a dual LED flash. The camera is an Omnivision 12870 sensor which is capable of taking decent shots with bokeh effect and video recording at 1080p resolution at 30 fps. It also comes with a 16 megapixel front camera capable of face unlock. Now talking about the specifications, it has got a Helio P23 octa-core 64-bit processor and an ARM Mali G72MP2 GPU. One Pro comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256GB with an SD card. It also comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. Umidigi One Pro comes with a smaller 3250 mAh battery as the One Pro supports 18W fast charging. Umidigi One Pro supports 15W wireless charging as well. Umidigi One Pro comes with dual stereo speakers, which the company claims is 2 times louder than any ordinary phone. Other features in Umidigi One Pro are dual 4G LTE. It supports all major global LTE bands, 2.4G plus 5G dual Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, NFC, Bluetooth 4.2 and Bluetooth HID, GPS, P-sensor, L-sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope and 3.5mm jack. The Umidigi One Pro is available in 2 color variants, Gradient Twilight and Carbon Fiber. At a price point of $200 or 13,500 Indian rupees, it is a pretty good deal. But if you are more into camera, Redmi Note 5 is worth checking out. With that being said, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.